this video, I am going to share how to import an HTML template in OmniSend new builder. This is the same method on old builder and new builder, but the end of different in new builder. You can find your name by clicking the name as the top of the page. You will need to first click on the store setting option. Then you will see a list of options. After you scroll down to the save template option, click it. After you have clicked on the save template option, you will see an import template button on the right side. Click on this button. The process of importing your template, you will have two options: write a name, and second you will upload the HTML file. After import HTML file, click the import button and your template is import. Once you have successfully imported your template by either importing the file, you can now apply this template, and whenever you have created a new campaign, and you can use the HTML template from here that you imported by going to the saving template in both builders. Thank you so much for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.